Here we have a 2010 Kawasaki Klx250. You can see it's our first big snowfall in Wisconsin this year, and just picked this up. Really nice bike. It's got the Enduro wheels but streetable tires, so it's not the Super Motard edition. So you can take these wheels and stick them right on your KLX and then put your knobby tires back on for weekend run. FMS exhaust, aftermarket lights, pro taper bars. I've got a jet kit that came with, and they've got some kind of mood lighting kind of thing here. I don't know if you see it in the daylight or not, but you can see it lights everything up green, and you can shut that back off again. Starts good, runs good.